Look at this place. Sometimes there's a negative connotation with the term gentrification, but for those of you that don't know, gentrification is when you improve or renovate, and in our case, rebuild a dilapidated property, bringing it up to the standards or bringing it up to par of the neighborhood. We're in a beautiful neighborhood and community of Hermosa Beach, California, and this is the current condition of this property. We're going to be tearing this dilapidated property down. Look at the condition. It's in such poor and dilapidated standards. We're going to rebuild this property. We're going to put 2 homes in its place, 3 stories each, rooftop deck with a view of the ocean. And that's what Revere is aimed to do, to take this and redo so it brings the neighborhood up to par and standards with the community. Look at this. So this was, I would suppose, the dining room. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I don't know, maybe we should keep this kitchen. What do you think? Wow. Look at this, holes in the ceiling, old chandeliers, and then look at the condition of this kitchen here. The Redondo Harbor on our way out because it's literally 3 blocks away. We could take a couple just still fit photos. Tear down. What do you think?